Starting an online business in 2026 just got significantly easier with AI. A lot of people avoid starting an e-commerce store because they think that it requires advanced technical skills, expensive design services, extensive product research, and weeks of setup time. But the truth is that good AI tools can now significantly speed up this entire process and make it way easier for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a professional dropshipping store using AI assistance. Online retail keeps growing year over year, and more people than ever are now making money with online stores. And it's amazing because it's lower barrier to entry than regular retail. You can work from anywhere in the world, you can start part-time and then scale up gradually as you grow, and the dropshipping model specifically allows you to test things without inventory risk. Now this is where Build Your Store AI comes into the picture. It's an AI-powered store builder for beginners that you can get started with for completely free. It automates product research and selection, builds you a professional looking store that other developers and designers would charge you hundreds of dollars if not thousands to set up. It comes pre-configured with product listings, and it's a fully streamlined setup process, so it's super easy to do. And here are just a couple examples of stores that were built completely with Build Your Store AI. Alright, now here's how you can actually get started. First, go ahead and click the first link in the description down below, where you just want to go and click on Build My Free Store. After this, you enter your full name, also your email address, and then you can also put in a password that you want to go with. Then click on sign up. Now this part, where did you hear about us? You can just put YouTube in this case and put Vince Oprah, then click on save and continue. And now you have to pick your niche. This is a really important step, but you can also change this in the future, of course, if you want to. So you can choose from fashion and apparel, pets, electronics and gadgets, home and garden, and sport and fitness. But if you're not sure what you want your niche to be, then you can also just click here on I'm not sure. Now I'm going to go with sport and fitness in this example. So just click on done. Now the next step is to choose a banner for your homepage. You want to go with something you like. I'm going to go with this image, but again, all of this can be customized later on as well. You actually have to select 2 images, then you have to click on done. All right, and now the AI has actually built our store, but what we need to do now is to actually set up Shopify. So we want to click here on claim my store, and then we want to create a Shopify account. You want to use the same email address ideally as you used before to keep things clean. So just click here on continue with email, put in your name, last name, and password, then click on create account. And now you want to click here on claim store. With this, we are also installing AutoDS to our account, which is going to be great because it's going to preload our store with 10 winning products. All right, so the next step is to now activate our store. So just click here on activate my store, and then you will be able to actually get a free trial today, and then just $1 per month for 3 months. And then after that, you pay the regular Shopify plan. So just fill out your payment details here and you can get started for completely free today and cancel anytime if you need to. So now I have connected my payment method and I will click here on subscribe. And as you can see, I am inside of Shopify right now. Now I'm going to go back to Build Your Store AI and click here on I'm done, continue. And you can choose from a free beginner store or also a professional one product store. In this case, I'm going to go with the free beginner store. But you could also choose this one if you want to have an amazing one product store created for you. Okay, now the next step is to click on customize my store. And just like that, the AI is actually going to work in the background to set everything up for you. So now we have to register for AutoDS. This is important because this is the software that's going to streamline our entire product sourcing and also order fulfillment. And we can get it for just $1 for the first 3 days. With AutoDS, you get a product database. So you get vetted suppliers and products as well that you can start selling. You get market analysis, so you can actually find trending product insights. Competitor research, you get industry performance data curated just for you. Order management, so all the orders that people are going to place on your store can be managed directly by AutoDS, so you don't have to worry about all of the backend stuff. And you even get educational resources with the software. Okay, so now let's click here on register to AutoDS. Then we need to enter our name and also set a password. Click on join now. Then we are going to choose Shopify for the store that we are going with. Choose the plan. I recommend going with the starter 500, and then also add a payment method. So just click here on join now, select Shopify. Let's go with this one, add our payment method, and now we can just connect it with our Shopify store. Just click here on open. And just like that, we have connected our brand new AI built Shopify store with AutoDS. Okay, so now if we go into Shopify, you're going to be able to check out your online store if you click right here. And this is what AI built for us. So as you can see, this is pretty impressive. It's already preloaded with some products, which is amazing. It even did all the copywriting for us. It added this little banner on the top right here. If we go to catalog, these are the different products that it preloaded for us from AutoDS, so people could already start ordering these. We have a contact part where people can reach us, and then we have this beautiful looking homepage as well. And of course, from here, you could go ahead and customize it and edit the theme to your exact liking. If you went to, let's say, the products category here, you can change the pricing, you can remove specific items you don't want to be selling, or you could even import more different items from AutoDS directly. There is a lot that you could go into here when it comes to AutoDS and finding different products. You can filter by, shipping times, suppliers, different categories. Let's say if we went into sports and fitness, you can see there is so many different products that we could be dropshipping here. And you can also see how long it usually takes to ship to the United States. Right under it, you can see the cost of it. And if you want to import it, you can just import it directly into your Shopify store and add it available for ordering right there. Now, the last step, once you have customized your store, once you have added the products, you've changed the pricing, you've changed the copywriting if it was needed anywhere, although the AI already did a really amazing job, as you can see right here. But once you've done all the modifications that you wanted to, the last step is to make your store actually visible for everyone. So just click here on Unlock Store. Then you need to add your store address right here. And once you have filled out this information, you're going to be able to remove the password protection so everybody can freely access your store and start ordering from there. So there you go. This is how you can set up a functioning e-commerce store with amazing products loaded into it and a good design in just around 10 minutes. But don't forget that this is just the first step. This is from where the real work actually begins. You want to start promoting your store, making organic content. You want to start finding amazing products, even outside of the preloaded ones, start running ads, and really start building a business here and driving customers. If you want to know about another amazing tool to find winning products, you can also check out ShopShark, and I've made an entire video about that as well on this channel, and you will be able to find that in the description. It's a great tool for identifying trends on TikTok and finding out about products that are selling really well, so you can find something similar as well on AutoDS and start selling that yourself. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to do the same thing as well, then make sure to click the first links in the description down below so you can get started as well on your journey today.